Okay, so this is my new, well, not my new friend, my friend, Daniel. And this is his garden. Tell me about your garden.
I just like to grow all kinds of things. Kind of chaos garden it. Throw a seed out, let it grow.
Well, so let's go see some of the seeds he just let grow. What's this here over here?
Pomegranate.
He's got a whole pomegranate thing going on here.
I have the pineapple top with a apple tree there.
Oh my goodness, Is it an apple tree?
Yep.
Oh my goodness, right here on the patio.
Yeah, I threw the seed out and that one sprouted and I trained the branches up to twist it. And pretty much kept it somewhat of a dwarf.
Oh, how cool is that? So you see, you can grow a whole garden and you don't have to have a whole bunch of space. What is this right here?
Those are my blueberries.
Oh my goodness, can I have one?
If there's any ready.
There's one right here. Oh my goodness. And they're good. What's that over there? Is that also a fruit tree or no?
Yeah, that one's the guayaba.
Or what?
Guayaba.
What's that? Guava?
Yeah.
Guava. Okay. All right. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what else you have growing?
I have dragon fruit plants.
Okay, I see the
There's
dragon
one
fruit.
there. The other one was actually a cuttings from that one.
Oh, your dragon fruit is blossoming. We used to have dragon fruit. What is this over here in the corner?
That's a cucumber.
Oh, okay, let me go over there. Oh, look at that. Look at all those blossoms. Look at the cucumber. Oh my goodness. That is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. Even babies and stuff. I have not been able to grow any cucumbers yet.
This one I just kind of threw over here and it's been doing its own thing.
Huh.
I have other melons that started, but as you can see, I got a little gopher problem here I gotta deal with before he eats the root system completely.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Sometimes
You know what
when
I
you
do
see
is I
things,
go
you
out
just
there.
start-
Yeah, I go out there and I pick them off of my plants and throw them to the birds. Okay, let me see what else you got over here. I know you have a grapevine.
That one I rooted from my neighbor's grapevine.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. And what's
And
this?
it took hold. This is a blackberry baby cakes variety.
Oh,
I've got my strawberries.
where?
There's gonna be these guys, which are actually pink strawberries. And
Okay.
you have your regular strawberries.
Oh yeah. Oh, you got strawberries. My husband goes out every day and eats his strawberries as soon as they turn red. So every time I take a picture of my strawberries, none of them are ever red. It's because he eats them every single time.
Yep, that's what this one does.
Okay, so what do you have down this way?
These are tomatillos,
Ooh.
which unfortunately I
I
have a
see.
beetle problem.
You have a
And
what?
A beetle problem. And
Oh,
they're
really?
Devastating the leafage.
Yeah, but you got tomatillos down in there.
Oh yeah.
And you got watermelon.
There's different kinds of melon here actually. Some of these might be cantaloupe. And then you have the baby cake, or the black diamond, I want to say watermelon, which is this guy.
Oh, wow. That's a biggie. Is it going to be a big watermelon or a small one?
I think this is going to be a smaller variety because it's the black diamond. So it's only going to get about yay big.
Oh, cool. Well, oh my goodness. Well, I am so impressed. Thank you for sharing. So, we've got lavender, got an orange tree over there.
The plumeria, which I don't know if you've ever smoked a flower on plumeria.
Oh, yes, I have.
These are one of my favorite flowers.
I happen to be allergic, but that's okay. Beautiful. Sure is growing big, too. What's in there with it?
The little base plants, just some foliage covered plants I put in there to help keep the topsoil moisture level.
Oh, nice. This is a yummy cactus, believe it or not. It can be very tasty. Okay, and this is the end of the garden. This is the plumeria. So you can see you can grow all kinds of things in very small space, lots of food. So in case you need to, you have food right there.
Wildflowers